Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Snow Joe is proving that its 100-volt lithium-ion battery system is plenty powerful to tackle snow removal, mowing the lawn, and more. We've taken a look at the latest cordless snowblower, which takes just minutes to assemble and eliminates the hassles of gas-powered engines, including the maintenance. And while the 100-volt lithium-ion battery can handle most jobs, the iON Pro can actually hold two at a time, so the power's there when needed. The second battery is sold separately. Snow Joe's Lauren Sahalon.
That is the way of the future, moving away from gas and toward an electric or cordless battery-powered alternative.
It's considerably quieter, too. There are more innovations at snowjoe.com, including the Shovelution strain-reducing shovel and the Ice Dozer snow and ice scraper. We like gadgets that are smart. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.